What a perfect example for our viewers and anyone that's coming in as you sit down and talk to your clients. Those tax implications, David, they are huge sometimes, and it really can really just take you off track.
Yeah, I would say the time to get organized is not after the loss of a loved one or a family member, after the loss of a loved one. You want to make sure you're organized before. And part of, I would say, the value in meeting with our team is to making sure you may have documents all over the place, you may have investments all over the place. We have people that come in and say, David, I have things everywhere. I have it at different banks. I have it at 3 different financial advisors. I would say the older that we get, Amy, the further we get into retirement, we want to simplify our life. We want to make sure that we know our estate plan is buttoned up and it's in a place that we know where it is and we can get to it. And I really think that truly is the value of our Retire Ready plan. So if you're watching right now, you say, David, sometimes I feel overwhelmed even thinking about organizing my finances. But I can tell you, the time to plan for your legacy, to plan for your beneficiaries is now. It's not after an event happens. And so one of the things that we would be honored to help you with is really putting together a plan for your family. It's our analysis that we'll do, our risk analysis and our Retire Ready plan analysis. It's a $1,000 value, but we'll actually provide this plan for you completely complimentary if you give us a call in the next 10 minutes. You'll be able to organize your finances in a simple way, but we'll also make sure if you don't have your financial power of attorneys, if you don't have your healthcare directives, if your beneficiaries aren't listed correctly, we will help you get those updated and we'll provide it completely complimentary if you give us a call in the next 10 minutes. The number to call is right on our screen. I can tell you we would be honored to make sure that your legacy is a blessing to your kids and grandkids and not a burden. So please take advantage.
Okay.
Catch Retire Ready with David Nicholas Sunday between 11:30 and 12.